A stationary power unit that was developed for great durability and economy, the MÅLILLA hot bulb engine was a vital component for the functioning of rural industries in Sweden. Sawmills and other sawmills that need supplementary power frequently used its 25 horsepower variants. MÅLILLA was renowned for its superior technical capabilities, and the company's engines were built to be both durable and easy to repair, hence reducing the amount of downtime experienced in isolated industrial environments. The company started making steam shovels in 1914 in Erie, Pennsylvania. Back then, most excavators were huge machines that ran on railroad tracks and could only swing their booms in a small arc. The Type B was the standard for the industry when it came out in 1915. It had a full swing shovel, which meant that the whole top part could turn 360 degrees. This let it dig and dump in any direction without shifting its tracks. The HOLT 120 engine was the most powerful tractor engine in World War I. This huge engine was made by adding 2 more cylinders to HOLT's existing 120 horsepower design. It was made to pull the largest siege guns for the Allied forces and was the most powerful crawler engine of its time. By the year 1960, the Massey Ferguson 35 had become the best all-rounder. This tractor was the Swiss Army knife of the countryside, whether it was used to power a belt-driven saw, plow a small field, or transport timber. Because of its small size, it was able to go through confined areas that are inaccessible to larger contemporary tractors. By 1916, the ERIE Type B was the clear leader in the small excavator market, tiny by 1916 standards, weighing roughly 20 tons. It worked because of three main things: the automatic crowding engine, standardized parts, and the 360-degree swing. The Hall-Scott six-cylinder railcar engine was the high-performance heart of the early American Doodlebug. Produced by the Hall-Scott Motor Car Company, these engines brought aviation-grade technology, including overhead cams and hemispherical heads, to the rails, allowing railroads to run efficient, self-propelled passenger cars on rural branch lines where heavy steam trains were too expensive to operate. As Scania's first foray into the realm of internal diesel power, the SCANIA-VABIS 16641 is a seminal piece of Scandinavian engineering. This 1938 spec engine, which debuted in 1936 and served as the beating heart of the heavy-duty SCANIA-VABIS 335 trucks, demonstrated Sweden's ability to compete with the top diesel producers in the world. The MARION steam shovel was the biggest machine of the industrial age. It was famous for digging the Panama Canal, which was a huge job. The MARION Steam Shovel Company in Ohio made these huge machines that changed moving dirt from a hard job that required a lot of manual labor to a feat of mechanical force and size. Other companies made smaller tools for building roads, but MARION made huge, heavy-duty shovels that could move mountains. Produced by the OTTO Gas Engine Works, the 25-horsepower OTTO engine is the epitome of late Victorian industrial power. Prior to the widespread use of electricity, these enormous stationary gas engines powered printing presses, pumping stations, and factories.